Oh, hi there, I'm Rex, and boy, do I have a story for you. You see, I'm not just any dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur who loves to drive monster trucks. It all started when I was just a little hatchling. I saw my first monster truck, and it was love at first sight. As I grew up, I made friends with other dinos who shared my passion for monster trucks. There's Trixie the Triceratops, who's got a truck with 3 horns just like her.
Everything is better with 3.
And Taro the Pterodactyl, whose truck can practically fly over jumps.
Cowabunga, dude.
Oh, and we can't forget Stego the Stegosaurus. His truck has spikes that can cut through any terrain. Together, we're the Dino Truckers, and we rule the prehistoric highways. With our awesome trucks, there's no challenge we can't overcome. One day, we decided to go on an epic adventure across the Mesozoic mountains.
This is gonna be dynamite.
I can't wait to soar over those peaks.
Don't forget the snacks, guys.
The first challenge we faced was a giant mud pit, but with our monster truck tires, we splashed right through. Next up was a field of boulders. We crushed them like they were pebbles. Then we came to a deep canyon. We revved our engines and made the jump. We were feeling pretty good about ourselves, thinking nothing could stop us. We'd conquered every obstacle so far. But then, we heard a strange rumbling sound. It wasn't a monster truck. Suddenly, this super cool dino on a motorcycle zoomed past us. We were so surprised we nearly drove into a tar pit.
Keep up, slowpokes!
At first, we were like, whoa, what's that little thing doing here?
Name's Moto. I'm just cruising through, seeing the sights. You dudes look like you're on an adventure, too.
But how can you adventure on that tiny thing?
But then we saw how Moto could squeeze through tight spots our trucks couldn't fit through. And the way he could zoom up steep hills was incredible. Together, we faced new challenges that tested both our monster trucks and Moto's motorcycle.
Moto, can you check if that path is safe for our trucks?
On it, dude.
And when we encountered a deep river, we used our monster trucks to create a bridge for Moto to cross. We learned that whether you ride on 2 wheels or 4, what really matters is the fun you have and the friends you make along the way. Now, every weekend, we all meet up for some dynamite racing fun. So remember, whether you're a T-Rex like me or a Velociraptor like Moto, there's room for everyone in this big prehistoric world of ours. Now, if you'll excuse me, I hear my monster truck calling. Time for another adventure.